Alright, let's look at the homework 2.4, problem number 6. Alright, let's find this derivative here. Alright, so things, since there are three things multiplied together, and we have to use the product rule for the product of three functions. Alright, so f prime of x is equal to, right? So we take the derivative of the first guy, so it's going to be 9x squared plus 4, right? Then we leave the other two alone, so you have x minus 6 times x plus 1, right? Then plus, right? Leave the first guy alone, so you have a 3x cubed plus 4x, but we take the derivative of the middle guy, which is going to be just 1, then multiply by x plus 1, right? And the last term is we leave the first two together alone, so you have 3x cubed plus 4x multiply by x minus 6, and the derivative of the last one is going to be just 1, right? Then if you multiply it together, you're going to get this. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and multiply these guys together. We're going to get x squared and a negative 6 plus 1, so it's a negative 5x. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6, right? Right. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply these guys out. So I'm going to just distribute. So here, I'm going to distribute 9x squared to each of these three terms, right? So let's do that. You're going to get 9x to the fourth power, right? And then let's say 9, so it's going to be minus 45 x cubed, right? And then 954, so 9 times 6 is 54, and x squared, right? Then next one is I'm going to distribute 4 to x squared and a negative 5x and a negative 6. So you're going to get the 4x squared, so plus 4x squared. So I'm going to try to line them up. And a 4 times this, so it's going to be negative 20x and 4 times 6 is negative 24. Right, so we have that. All right, the next term, I'm going to just distribute the 3x cubed to 1x and 1. Right, so it's going to be 3x to the fourth power. So it's going to be, I'm going to put it here, 3x to the fourth power there. And then 3x cubed. So I'm going to put the plus 3x cubed, right? And then I'm going to distribute the 4x to x and 1. So you're going to get, let's see, 4x squared. So you have another plus 4x squared. And then you have a 4x. So it's going to be plus 4x, right? Then last term, so we're going to distribute this guy to x and negative 6. So we have 3, so I'm going to have a 3x to the fourth power and a minus 18 x cubed, right? Then we distribute the 4x to x and 6. So you have another 4x squared. So plus 4x squared. And then you have a minus, let's see, minus 24x. Right? So we just have to group them all together, right? So let's look at this guy right here. All right, so we have a 9 plus 3 plus 3, so that would be 15. So we have a 15x to the 4th power, right? Then we have, let's see, so this is a tough one. So I'm gonna just do negative 18 plus negative 45 would be negative 63, right? Then you're adding 3, so it's going to be negative 60. So we have a negative 60 x, let's see, x cubed, right? And the next one is you have, let's see, 54 plus 4, so 50. And then you have 42, so minus 42x squared, right? And here you have a negative 24, so it's going to be negative 20, so it's a negative 40x minus 24, right? So let's type it in. All right, so what we got was 15x to the 4th minus 60x cubed minus 42x squared, actually, so that's not what I want, minus 42x squared and a minus 40x minus 24. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.